Hello everyone, welcome, and let's talk about the LRU algorithm, or least recently used page replacement algorithm. So let's assume that we have 4 frames and our page references was this. Uh, Page references was 5, 6, 8, 10, 7, 6, 9, 5, 7, and 8. So for starters, we're going to check day number 5. Okay, so here, since 5 was the first one, so we can see that the 5 has not been used to the previous page because it was the first. So for now, we're going to bring down the 5 here, there. Then let's move to 6. We can see 6 was also not been used to the previous page, so let's bring down the 6 to, and we're going to do this 5 and 6. Okay, then next 8. Since 8 was also not been used on the previous page, so we're going to bring down this 2 5, 6, 8. There. So next is 10. 10 was also not been used on the previous page, so we're going to bring down this. There. Okay, the next one is 7. 7 was not been used to the previous page, but we need to replace one digit. So since our topic was least recently used, so to change one digit, we're going to check for this. There. Here we could see that the digit that we used recently and the digit that we're going to change was the least, or the longest digit that we haven't used. So here the first one was 10, has been recently used here, so we're not going to use this. Let's go to the 8, the second one, the 6th, the third one, and the 5, the first, the fourth one. Since 5 is par and the longest digit that we haven't used, so we're going to change the number 5 and we're going to put the number 7 here. Okay. And then we're going to copy the rest. Okay, so the next one was 6. Since 6 has been used on the previous page here, so we're just going to copy the previous page. 7, 6, 8, and 10. There. Okay, the next one was the number 9. Since we're going to change another digit here on the previous page, so let's do this. Let's expand this. Okay, since 6 has been recently used here and 7 is also recently used here, 10 was here, the third one, and the 8 is the fourth one. So we're going to change the 8 since 8 was the farther one. So we're going to put the 9 here and then copy the rest, the digit. 7, 6, 10. Okay, let's move to the next digit. Well, our next digit was 5. So we're going 9 was recently used, 6 was recently used, then 7 was recently used, and 10 was the further one. So let's change that number 10 and put the number 5 here. Then copy the rest. 6, 9. Okay, so since 7 was recently used in the previous page, so we're just going to copy the previous page. So 7, 6, 9, 5. There. Our last page was the 8. Since there's no 8 on the previous page, so we're going to change another digit. Then we're going to check it again. So 7 was recently used, 5 was recently used, 9 was recently used, but 6 is the further one. So we're going to change the number 6. So we're going to put the number 8 here. And then copy the rest. 7, 9, 5. Here. As we can see that the 4 frames has been completed, but we're going to see what is the page fault and the hit. Here is the page fault. There. Here was also the page fault. Here was also page fault. So here, page fault. See? Here was also a page fault. Here was hit. Why it was hit? The reason why it was hit because the the page references that we're looking for has a digit on the previous page. That's why it was hit. If the if the page reference that we're looking for the previous page was not present, it was called a page fault. So next, this is a page fault. This is a page fault. This is hit, and this is page fault. There. So this me for least recently used algorithm. So thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy it.